Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this hair from Vshow hair that I love. And I did a side part, you guys. I haven't done a side part in so long, but I loved how this looked and I love how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I styled and installed this hair, make sure you guys stay tuned.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Alright, so boom, we got this pre-highlighted wig. It's mad pretty. I love the streaks in the back. And this is 26 inches, 180 density. This is a body wave wig and it is so freaking full. I plucked the hairline. You can see that I need to plug it some more, but it's so full. So I'm starting by just cutting flaps of the lace, and usually I do this after I glue it down, but I tried doing it first today. I think I like it better laid down, and I was just jamming to music as always. So then I started cutting the lace off. I did terrible at cutting the lace. Yeah, I recommend gluing it down. I don't know how people be doing all this before they glue it down, but whatever works for y'all. But yeah, I won't be doing this again. I just wanted to try it, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm not really worrying too much about how the lace look while I'm cutting it, because I know I'm gonna cut it again once it's glued down. But I just wanted to cut off the excess lace or whatever. So now I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue and I am applying that in layers. I like to do that because I think it looks so much better than just building it all up. So I'm taking my little edge brush, like the end of it, and I'm layering it in. I'm melting it in until it's clear and you don't see it anymore. This is still just the first layer, you guys. And now I'm adding my second layer. So you see how it just magically disappeared? Love that. Love that. Make sure you guys do that and don't ever like build it all up. So now I'm taking my blow dryer and I'm blowing it clearly, and now I'm gonna put the wig down. I didn't cut the airs yet, so I'm gonna do that soon, but I'm putting the rest of the glue on the air tab. So now I'm taking my Got To Be Freeze spray and I'm spraying it on my lace after I glued everything down. And now my lace is just magically disappearing with every spray. Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? Tips. So next you want to take your elastic band and you want to tie your hair up. And this is going to help your lace melt all the way into your skin. And I'm taking this hot comb now and I'm just hot combing the hair so it lays flat when I'm ready to do it. I initially wanted to do a half up, half down. That's why you guys see me combing it backwards like that, because that's what I wanted to do. But then I ended up doing a side part. But either way, you're gonna have to hot comb your hair down. So that's what I'm doing. And I used mousse because I felt like it really gets it soft and slick. So that's just one of my things that I like to do. I like to use mousse and I like to use Got To Be Freeze spray when I'm hot combing the hair. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day, and today I felt like using mousse. So after hot combing the hair, I like to go in and pluck the hair again. This helps me see like where I'm plucking and where needs to be plucked. Like it gives like a better visual to me at least. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm plucking everywhere that needs to be plucked. So now I'm going to remove the elastic band, and yes, I need to pluck the hair some more, and I will do that once I take out my baby hairs, because I like to pluck the baby hairs themselves and I like to pluck behind them. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to take out a little bit of hair for the baby hairs, and I like to see how I'm going to do it before I lay it down. So this is me plucking the baby hairs and plucking behind them, and then this is me like testing out where it's gonna lay and where it's gonna fall. So now I'm taking my razor and I'm cutting. Yes, that is way too long. We're gonna cut it some more. Yeah, and I'm plucking behind the baby hairs. So now I'm gonna go in with some mousse and I'm gonna put that on my hair. So when I'm doing my baby hairs, I like to lay them down and then cut accordingly. So that's what I do periodically. I go back and I lay down. I go back and I cut. I go back and I lay down. I go back and I cut. So that's just my process and how I get it done. Okay, now when I feel like I have something that I kind of like, I go ahead and I spray it with my Got To Be Free spray, and then I blow dry it. I didn't finish doing the rest of my baby hairs. I wanted to see how this one came out, and then I proceeded to do my hair, which I thought I was going to do a half up, half down like I said, but I didn't. So this is the hair on the side, and I liked how my baby hairs came out for that one. So I'm going ahead and I'm gonna do the rest of them. So lastly, I'm going to curl my hair. This is originally a body wave, but I wanted to have a like little extra oomph. I do like how it look right here, but you know, let's take it up a notch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm curling my hair. I'm doing barrel curls, but I'm not really good at doing it with the flat iron. So I was doing it at first and then I stopped. And I think it's much easier to do it with a wand. So I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on that. But yeah, just enjoy me curling my hair, and we'll get back. I'll talk to y'all at the end, okay? So now I'm going in with some concealer and I'm putting that on my part just to bring my part out some more. Yeah, I definitely like this hair, you guys. I didn't even have to bleach my knots just because the wig is brown, so I didn't have to do too much to it. But this is the end result. This is how I look. It looks so good. Make sure you guys go out and get this wig. It's super full. I just love it. And it's minimal shedding. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions that you guys have, and I will be happy to answer them. Yep, thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.